What's up guys, welcome back to ArchitecturalEdge. In this very video, I'll be teaching us step by step on how to export AutoCAD 2D floor plans and also how to import this floor plan into our SketchUp 2026 workspace. So if you're here to subscribe to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out from all the educative videos I'll be dropping on architectural software in this channel. So without wasting much time, let's move right away into today's lessons. So the floor plan we'll be working on is the floor plan we designed from our lessons on how to draw architectural floor plan on AutoCAD. So what are we to do first? I should make a duplicate of this floor plan by left clicking and dragging my mouse cursor up to select the floor plan, then right click, then click on my copy selection. All right, then I click a portion of the selected object, then I place it on a different space, then I tap my escape key. So what am I to do next? I'm going to clean all these dimension line and grid lines because we won't need them on our SketchUp workspace. So all right, I'm just selecting all of this and I'm deleting them. So all right, now our floor plan is good to go. Let me take off this internal measurement also. So I'm just trying to make our floor plan as neat and possible as possible so that it won't be clumsy on our SketchUp workspace. So after doing this, what are we to do next? We'll just come to our keyboard, then we'll type W on our keyboard, W block. So immediately you type your W block on your keyboard. So immediately you type your W block on your keyboard, immediately on this taskbar, then you tap enter. You tap your enter key. So it displays this interface. So on this interface, as you can see, it's given what block entry drawing, then we have object. So you are not doing any setting here for now. What you just do, you come to select object, you left click on this, then you select the whole of this floor plan, then you right click, then it brings you back to this interface, this drop down menu. So right here, then you select the location which you want your drawing to be stored. So okay, it's showing on our document. So let's come to this dot here. We can change the location if you wish to. So let me save it inside this folder on my desktop. This 5050, the folder named 5050. All right, so I'll right click on this. Then it's giving an option for name of floor plan. So I can just do AutoCAD floor plan export. So I'll just name this. So I'll just name it AutoCAD floor plan export. So I'll save this. Then I'll click OK. So immediately it's saved. So let's go to our desktop to see how to locate this file we save. Okay, let's look out for the file. Let me do sort by date modification. So this is it here. So what are we to do next? Then you come to your SketchUp. You open to your fresh workspace. This is the workspace we'll be importing our AutoCAD 2D floor plan to. So then you come to your file. You come to this portion, your file, then you come to import. So I haven't come to import. You can click on your desktop so that we can locate the destination where we save the AutoCAD file. So all right, so below here we'll select the type of file we want to import into our SketchUp workspace, which is AutoCAD file. So you click on this. So you see it immediately filter all the documents that are present on the file where our SketchUp, our 2D AutoCAD floor plan is being saved. So we have all of this here. So here is the floor plan we exported from our AutoCAD workspace. So you click, you select, then you come to this portion, you click your import, you click on import. So immediately it start processing. So you give it a while to process. So once it processes, then okay, close. So we have this immediately. You see, we've successfully imported our AutoCAD floor plan into our SketchUp workspace. So you can do this. Let's see. You can drag it and position it on our inference intersection here. So we've successfully imported our AutoCAD 2D floor plan into our SketchUp workspace. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell, because in the next video we'll be diving into more intense and more detailed aspects of architectural design in SketchUp. So we'll be working on this floor plan. We'll be starting by modeling this floor plan from scratch to the roof portion, and also inserting all the fenestration, the windows, and also the facades, the aesthetics. Then we'll also move into landscaping of our building surroundings. So if this is your first time on the SketchUp software, you can check my previous video which I did on starting up with SketchUp for beginner, where you have the full awareness on how to move around on the SketchUp workspace, on how to navigate and how to use each of these tools on the workspace. All right. Make sure you practice every of these we are doing on this channel, because that's the only way you can get better and upscale your design software skill. See you in the next video.